In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a file between folders in the File Manager in HubSpot. By the end, you'll be able to quickly relocate any asset to keep your library tidy and easy to navigate. First, open your browser, head to your preferred search engine, and type HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and sign in to your account. Make sure you're logging into the correct workspace and that your user has permission to view and edit files. If you're part of multiple teams, double-check you're in the right portal before you continue. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar. Hover your mouse to reveal the main sections, then locate the content area. From there, click Files to open the File Manager. This is your central library for images, documents, and other assets used across your site and marketing tools. You'll see a list of folders on the left and your files on the right. If you've been browsing around, you can use the breadcrumb at the top to return to the root or any parent folder. Find the file you want to move. Hover your mouse over that file's row. This reveals quick options. Click Actions to open the context menu. In that menu, choose Move. This brings up the Move window, where you'll select the destination. In the Move window, browse through your folders to find the spot where this file belongs. Click into a folder to open it, and keep drilling down until you reach the exact destination. If you have a long folder list, use the search field at the top of the picker to filter by folder name so you don't have to scroll. When you see the folder you want, click it to select it. With the destination folder selected, confirm the change by clicking Move. HubSpot will process the update and close the window. You should now see a confirmation, and the file will no longer appear in its original location. To verify, navigate to the destination folder and confirm that the file is there. If the Actions button or Move option isn't visible, make sure you're hovering directly over the file row and that you have Edit access to the Files tool. If you accidentally moved the file to the wrong place, simply repeat these steps to move it again. And if you don't immediately see the destination folder, try refreshing the File Manager or collapsing and expanding the folder tree. That's it. You've successfully moved a file between folders in HubSpot's File Manager, keeping your assets organized and easy to find.